Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to convert an Excel file into a PDF file. Well, first of all, let us open your Excel file that you want to convert into PDF. So here I have opened this Excel file and here I have data as an Excel sheet. Within that I have a table with this data. Now I want to convert this Excel sheet into corresponding PDF file. So let us see how to do it. Well, before converting this Excel sheet into PDF file, we have to do some settings over here so that this content will look good in the PDF file. So in order to do the settings, go to the page layout over here and go to the page setup and click on this page group icon over here, and here choose landscape, the orientation landscape, and next go to the margins and here center on page. So just tick mark this horizontal as well as vertical, and if you look at here, the content should look in the center of the page. So once we export this Excel sheet into PDF, the content should look good, right? That's why this is the settings. Now click on OK button over here. That's it. Next, let us see how to save this Excel sheet into a PDF. For that, go to the file and go to the save as option, and here go to this PC. So here couple of options that you can use to save your file. So here we are going to save this PDF file into our PC. That's why choose this PC, and next here you can choose the folder. So I am going to choose the desktop. Within a desktop I have a demo folder, and here let us export this PDF file and let us give the PDF file name employee sample data, and this is the important save as type. By default it is giving Excel workbook, but we have to give PDF. So just select the PDF over here. That's it. Next, go ahead and click on save button. That's it. Now we have successfully converted a Excel sheet into a corresponding PDF file. And if you look at here, this table looks in a PDF. Okay. Next, just let me close this PDF file and let me go to the location where the PDF file is exported. So here in a demo folder you can see employee sample data PDF file is successfully exported. Now let me open it again. So this is how you can quickly convert your Excel sheet into corresponding PDF file. Alright, if you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video.